Alright folks, today in the shop we have a Yamaha Golf Cart and it needs a brake adjustment. I'm going to walk you through it. So where we want to get is to the floorboard cover underneath of here, and we got this floor mat, this long floor mat that covers everything. It's held on by prop rivets. You'll see them, there's one back here and some down there. You don't need to take the whole thing up, just this side basically, so that you can pull this up and get to that floorboard. Get yourself a screwdriver, flathead. That's not too wide, because there's a little groove in these pop rivets that you need to fit into, and you're going to stick it in there, just pop them up. To open those up, stick it in, give it a little twist, and you'll hear them pop up. Now that we got these rivets out, some of these you may break taking them out. It's really not the best design. It's not made to be taking them apart, go under here all the time, so you may need to buy some backup ones, but just be careful. If they get a little stuck, you're gonna have to just kind of pry on the mat and it will pull them out there. Again, I have backups of these clips because I do this quite often, so I'm able to put new ones in, but be gentle when you're taking them out. All right, now you want to pull up your mat here, which you're gonna go around the pedal, a little hard with one hand. And of course, make sure your key is off, because when you're pushing this, you're gonna end up hitting this gas pedal and the cart's gonna take off on you. So make sure your key's off, and just making sure your parking brake is released there. Now here's your door, trap door. All right, cover's off. Takes a little bit of finesse getting out of there. Definitely need two hands. All right, now you're under here. The adjustment you want to look for is the center nut right there. And you see these two rubber boots here? Just go right to the center. That's the one that you want to turn, and you're going to turn it clockwise. And the wrench you're going to need for this is a 12 millimeter. So we're going to go ahead and just turn that clockwise. Couple turns. And go ahead and feel your brake. And if this was going to the floor, you'll start seeing that it's getting a little bit better. And that feels pretty good. So we're gonna leave that mat off for a second. I'm gonna take it for a quick test drive and just test it real fast. All right, that's it. The brakes seem to be a lot better. It's literally a 5-minute job. Anybody can do it. And hopefully this helps somebody out there who needs to tighten up the brakes on their cart and save somebody from going into a lake or through a fence or something. But that's it. Don't forget, hit subscribe below. Give me a like. I'm trying to get my subscribers up. I do videos daily. I'll see you next time.